Question number 126. The Gobar gas is a mixture of all of the given gases except. First option, methane. Second, nitrogen oxide. Third, carbon dioxide. Fourth, hydrogen sulfide. The Gobar gas is a mixture of CH4, CO2, H2S, H2, etc. The major component of the Gobar gas is methane, that is CH4. There is a no component called NO2 in the Gobar gas. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 127. The majority of animals and nearly all plants. First option are regulators. Second are conformers. Third, hibernate during winters. Fourth, migrate temporarily from the stressful habitat. Majority of animals and nearly all plants cannot maintain the constant internal environment. Hence, they are conformers. What about the regulators? The regulators can maintain a constant environmental conditions in the body, but majority of animals and plants are not regulators. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 128. Identify the incorrect statement. First option, Allen's rule says that mammals from colder climates generally have shorter ears and limbs. Second, kangaroo rat meets its water requirement by internal fat oxidation. Third, desert lizards show physiological and behavioral adaptations to cope up with extreme temperature. Fourth, xerophytes have thick cuticle and sunken stomata to minimize water loss through transpiration. So, which statement is incorrect? Allen's rule says that the mammals from the colder climates have shorter ears and limbs. It is true. Why? Because in colder climates, one has to conserve the heat. There should be no heat loss. So, the mammals have shorter ears and limbs so that heat loss can be minimized. Second, kangaroo rat meets its water requirement by oxidation of fat. It is also true. Fourth one, xerophytes have thick cuticle and sunken stomata to minimize the water loss through transpiration. Yes, thick cuticle and the sunken stomata help xerophytic plant to minimize the water loss. So this is also true. What about the third statement, which says that the desert lizard show physiological and behavioral adaptations to cope up with the extreme temperature? No. In case of desert lizards, there is no physiological adaptation, but yes, they have behavioral adaptations to cope up with the extreme temperature. You will be surprised to know that these desert lizards can adapt behaviorally very well in the extreme temperature. What do? When the sunlight is low, they move out and bask in the sun. But during the daytime, when the sunlight is high or the heat from the sun is high, they again go into their burrows to escape the heat from the sun. So with the help of their behavior, they can cope up with this extreme temperature. So the incorrect statement is the third one. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 129. Which among the given interactions shows commensalism? First option, clownfish and sea anemone. Second, of rice and bumblebees. Third, cuckoo and crow. Fourth, fig and fig wasp. Of rice and bumblebees, fig and fig wasp, they show mutualism. Mutualism is a relationship in which both the species get benefited. So it's a plus relationship for both the species. So option number 2 and 4 are ruled out. We have to search for the commensalism in which one species is benefited and the second one is neither harmed and nor benefited, means it's in zero relationship. So it's a +0 relationship. What about the cuckoo and crow? Cuckoo and crow show the brood parasitism in which cuckoo is in plus and crow is in minus. It's a parasitic relationship. One species is benefited and the other one is harmed. So this option is also ruled out. So the remaining option is first one. This is clownfish and the sea anemone, in which clownfish is benefited. It is plus and sea anemone shows the 0 as it is neither harmed and nor benefited. Clownfish gets protection from the predators by hiding itself in the tentacles of the sea anemone. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 130. The largest man-made ecosystem lacks all except first option high diversity, second high productivity, third complex food chains, fourth frequent circulation of nutrients. The largest man-made ecosystem is the agro ecosystem or the agricultural ecosystem. It has low diversity, so this option is ruled out. Complex chains, no, it has a simple food chains, so this option is also ruled out. Fourth, frequent circulation of nutrients, no, it has a low or less circulation of nutrients, so this is also ruled out. So the largest man-made ecosystem has high productivity. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question.